Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your QR code in your Binance app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, before we get started, make sure your Binance app is up to date with the latest version by going to your Player App Store and searching for Binance. Make sure Binance is up to date. From here, simply log in or sign up. Then you come to the home page here of Binance. And now from here, we want to navigate and click onto assets, the bottom right hand corner of the page. And now, if you got any assets here that you'd like this with, see their QR code. So for example, I want to see the Binance QR code. I want to click into it. And then from here on the bottom, I want to click on add BNB and then select your deposit method. It can be either one of these, but what I'm going to do is on chain deposit and then choose your network. I'm going to click on Smart Chain BEP20 and here's your QR code here. So you can do this for any crypto. If you don't have it in your, if we go back to assets, if you don't find it here, you can simply scroll down